Developing advanced formulations is rarely straightforward. What works in the lab doesn't always work in manufacturing. Particle size varies, scale-up becomes unpredictable, and development time increases. The Horizon system range from Micropore Technologies is designed to solve this challenge, enabling precise, scalable particle engineering from formulation development through to production. Powered by Micropore's Advanced Crossflow technology, Horizon systems formulate monodispersed droplets, nanoparticles, and crystals using a gentle process, delivering reproducible particle-size distributions while protecting sensitive ingredients. Horizon Mini supports formulation development and pilot-scale particle engineering, allowing scientists to rapidly optimize processes while minimizing material waste. Horizon 1 provides higher throughput particle engineering for both lab and production environments, helping organizations move confidently from development to manufacturing. The Horizon platform streamlines progression from formulation development with Horizon Mini to higher volume production with Horizon 1. The Horizon Mini can be upgraded to a Horizon 1 simply by changing a pump head and the AXF unit. With automated control, low-shear processing, and scalable architecture, Horizon removes traditional scale-up challenges, helping organizations develop reliable formulations faster and bring new products to the market with confidence. The Horizon Pro platform also supports bespoke system configurations for organizations with specific regulatory or production requirements.